Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect IQIYI to your TV. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where exactly can you find IQIYI? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type IQIYI and follow through with the on-screen prompts to download the app. After downloading or installing the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you're going to be asked to log in or to sign up. And how do you do that? Check the bottom of the screen. You're going to see the me icon. Click on that and follow through the prompt to log in or to sign up. After doing that, it's going to take you right to this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now down here, let's quickly hop in today's task, and that is how to connect IQIYI to TV. So from this homepage, check the bottom of your screen. You're going to find Home, Explore, Short, Download, and Me. So click on the Me icon. It's going to take you right into this window where you have My List, History, IQI, Rewards, Language, Subtitle Translation, Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. Now for you to connect IQIYI to TV, check the top of the screen. You're going to find the scan there, the scanner. So go ahead and click on the scanner, and once you click on the scanner, you see the scan QR code. All you need to do is to place this scanner on the QR code of your TV screen and scan the code. So scan the QR code on your TV screen, and once you do that, scan it to authorize login. So after scanning the QR code on your TV screen, follow through with the prompts to authorize login. And after authorizing login, then you see that you will now be able to watch your IQI videos right there in your TV screen. So that's pretty much it. So scan the QR code on your TV screen using the scanner right there to authorize login, and you'll be able to enjoy IQIYI on your TV. So go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.